शुक्लाम्बरधरं श्लोका। शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। Meaning of the shloka: I meditate upon Lord Ganapati, a divine being who wears white, which stands for purity, who is all-pervading, who has a bright complexion like the moon, who has 4 hands, who has a compassionate and gracious face, and hence worshipped for the removal of any obstacles. Vakratunda Mahakaya Shloka. वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. Meaning of the shloka: O Lord Ganapati, with a curved trunk, with a broad body, and with a brilliance equal to that of millions of suns, please remove all obstacles and make all my undertakings free of hindrances at all times. Gajananam Bhutaganadisevitam Shloka. Gajananam Bhutaganadisevitam कपित्थजम्बूफलसारभक्षितं उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पादपङ्कजम्. गजाननं भूतगणादिसेवितं कपित्थजम्बूफलसारभक्षितम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पादपङ्कजम्. गजाननं भूतगणादिसेवितं कपित्थजम्बूफलसारभक्षितम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पादपङ्कजम्. Meaning of the shloka: I bow to you, the Lord with the face of an elephant, Gajanana, one who is served by the celestial attendants, Bhutaganas and other beings, the one who consumes the extract of Kapitta, wood apple, and Jambul fruits, jamun. O the son of goddess Uma, who is responsible for destroying all sorrows, I reverently bow to the lotus feet of Lord Vigneshwara, who removes all obstacles. Agajanana Padmarkam Shloka. Agajanana Padmarkam Gajananam Aharnisham Anekadam Tam Bhaktanam Ekadantam Upasmahe. अगजाननपद्मार्कं गजाननम् अहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तम् उपास्महे। अगजाननपद्मार्कं गजाननम् अहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तम् उपास्महे। Meaning of the shloka: as the rays from the lotus face of Gauri, Devi Parvati, is always on her beloved son Gajanana, who has the face of an elephant, similarly, the grace of Sri Ganesha is always on his devotees, granting their many prayers. The devotees who with deep devotion worship the Ekadanta, one with a single tusk. Om Gam Ganapataye Namo Namaha Shloka. Om Gam Ganapataye Namo Namaha Shri Siddhi Vinayaka Namo Namaha Ashtavinayaka Namo Namaha Ganapati Bappa Moraya. Om Gam Ganapataye Namo Namaha Shri Siddhi Vinayaka Namo Namaha Ashtavinayaka Namo Namaha Ganapati Bappa Moraya. Om Gam Ganapataye Namo Namaha Shri Siddhi Vinayaka Namo Namaha Ashtavinayaka Namo Namaha Ganapati Bappa Moraya. Meaning of the shloka: Om, salutations to Lord Ganapati, the remover of obstacles, the divine leader. Salutations to Siddhi Vinayaka, the bestower of success. Salutations to the 8 Vinayakas. Victory to Lord Ganesha. Shuklambaradharam Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarvavighnopasantaye. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Gajananam Bhutaganadisevitam Kapitthajambophala Sarabhakshitam Umasutam Shokavinashakaranam Namami Vigneshwara Padapankajam. Agajanana Padmarkam Gajananam Aharnisham Anekadam Bhaktanam Ekadantam Upasmahe. Om Ganganapataye Namo Namaha Shri Siddhi Vinayaka Namo Namaha Ashtavinayaka Namo Namaha Ganapati Bappa Moraya.